Welcome. In this moment, before anything needs to be understood or changed, there is something quietly certain. You are here. Your presence is undeniable, simple, and complete. This meditation is an invitation to return to the ground of being, the quiet, steady truth of existence itself. As you settle into this meditation, you may notice a deep sense of steadiness, safety, and inner security arise naturally. When you recognize the ground of your own being, effort softens, fear loosens, and inner peace transforms your daily life. It is here, supported by something timeless, calm, and unshakable. The sense of separation gently dissolves. Find a position that allows your body to be comfortably supported. Let your breath move naturally in and out in gentle rhythm. Feel the simple fact of breathing happening. Notice the contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Take a few moments to feel this physical grounding, the weight, pressure, and support. Until the chimes, gently turn inward. Notice that your existence is present within experience itself. Being and experience arise together as one seamless reality. There's no gap between you and this moment. Rest in the simple truth of being, the quiet certainty of I am. Remaining in this restful state of being, notice something gently revealed. There is no boundary where existence ends and begins again. The same being that is your ground is the being that's the ground of everything, undivided, one, ever near. There is one continuous ground of being in which the many appear. Until the chimes, allow this sense of one connection. In this quiet recognition, consider the ease of belonging when nothing stands apart, where the sense of me and other softens into one seamless experience. As you rest here, notice how naturally a sense of safety arises. Being doesn't need defending, fixing, or protecting. It is steady beneath every experience, unchanged by what comes and goes. Thoughts, emotions, and circumstances move, yet being remains constant, quietly holding them all. Until the chimes, allow your body and nervous system to absorb this steadiness, the calm of being grounded in what does not move or fail. Reflect on the peace that comes from resting where nothing needs defending. From this ground of being, you are deeply supported by existence itself. There is nothing to fear. You are whole. You are safe. Until the chimes, rest for a few moments more in the felt sense of being held by something vast, steady, and loving. As this awareness becomes familiar, allow the following words to arise as a recognition. I am. You're invited to repeat the following affirmations after me, or simply allow my words to wash over you. I am grounded. I am whole. I am one. I am, and that is enough. Until the chimes, absorb the final affirmation. I am, and that is enough. Take a brief moment now for gratitude for the simple gift of existing as one. Remain here for a few moments, sensing how grounded and secure you feel. Notice how connection replaces separation, how steadiness brings inner peace. From the ground of being, life unfolds naturally. Connection flows without effort. As this meditation comes to a close, carry the sense of safety that doesn't depend on circumstances and sense of quiet unity that requires no effort with you into movement, into conversation, into daily life. May you walk grounded, steady, and feel at home, resting always in the truth of your being. Namaste.